The paper of the day is joint size estimation subject to filter conditions. This paper presented a novel correlated sampling algorithm for performing one-pass joint size estimation, which is applicable to very large database tables and to streaming scenarios. Paper performed detailed analytical and experimental comparisons between correlated sampling and the competing techniques of end-bias sampling, Bernoulli sampling, and a method based on AGMS sketches. Their analysis showed that if dynamically specified filter conditions are allowed, then the variance of the sketch-based estimator greatly increases while that of sampling-based methods decreases. Also, as the number of attributes value do not appear in all tables increases, the variance of the sketch-based estimator increases while that of the sampling methods remains unchanged. Thus, while the sketch-based method satisfies the one-pass requirement, its large variance in many situations makes it impractical as a general-purpose joint size estimation method. They have implemented Bernoulli, correlated, and end-bias sampling as well as AGMS sketches. These techniques were then used to estimate joint sizes on a schema containing one fact table and two-dimensional tables. In this paper, they present two new algorithms capable of solving this problem: correlated sampling and a novel sketch-based approach. Given a joint graph of interest, the correlated sampling algorithm constructs a synopsis of each table Ti by including each row from that table into the synopsis with probability Pi, which depends on the number of joint attributes in Ti. Random variables that are used to make inclusions decisions are shared among the tables. After the samples of all tables have been built, an unbiased joint size estimate can be computed subject to dynamically specified filter conditions without modifying the samples. This is achieved by simply selecting those rows from each sample that satisfy the filter conditions for that table. Now let's look at the PS score for this paper. Overall, this paper is pretty dense read, so it gets 5 out of 10 on readability. With 12 pages long, it scored 6 out of 10 on length. It's a research prototype with dense description, so that makes it 5 out of 10. Its industry value limiter is unproven, so it gets 5 out of 10 on each with overall PS score of 5 out of 10.